Hello everyone, class. This is your revision series computer. Okay, chapter 8 to 10. So let's start chapter 8, an introduction to QV64. So first exercise, pick the correct options. Okay, so open your book and give the answer immediately. A string variable is ended by dash symbols. Options are in your screen. You can see the key which is used for compiling and running a QV64 file is options are options A 5 6, option B F5, option C F3. Now third question, a QV64 file is saved with the extension option A .qv, option B .bas, option C .qbas. Next question, dash developed QV64, Galen, John G. Camney, थॉमस ई कुर्स. किसने डेवलप किया था QV64? गिव द आंसर इन कमेंट सेक्शन. वी कैन ओपन द फाइल मेनू यूजिंग कीबोर्ड शॉर्टकट. ऑप्शंस ए CTRL प्लस F, ऑप्शन बी ALT प्लस F एंड सी ऑप्शन कंट्रोल प्लस ऑल्ट प्लस F. ओके, सो गिव द आंसर्स इन कमेंट सेक्शन. नाउ एक्सरसाइज B, fill in the blanks. Read carefully and give the answers carefully. Okay, now write T for true and F for false statements. Read carefully and give the answers in comment section. Okay class, now chapter 9, QV64 statement. Read the exercise, tick the correct options. Dash statement can be used for controlling column locations. You can see the options from your book. Okay, and give the comment section. Your answer will be there. Question number 2. Statement terminate the further execution of program. Options A let, option B input and C print. Okay, so give the answer in comment section. Next, in QV64, when an item is enclosed in dash brackets, it indicates that is optional. Options are square brackets, option B curly bracket, option C rounded brackets. Okay, you can see in your book. Now question 4, print with comma statement can display at the most dash value in a line. Options A 4, B 5, C 3. Now fill in the blanks. Read this sentence carefully and give the answers immediately. Exercise C, write T for true and for false statement. Okay, read these sentences and give the answers in comment sections. Okay class, now chapter 10, log on to flash CS3. Flash is an dash software package. Options ग्राफिक, एनिमेशंस, प्रोग्रामिंग. आंसर जो भी है कमेंट सेक्शन में दीजिए. सेकंड, डैश इज अ रेक्टेंगुलर वर्क स्पेस एरिया वेयर द कंटेंट आर प्लेस्ड. ऑप्शंस स्टेज, ऑब्जेक्ट, टूल, पैनल्स. जो भी आंसर है आंसर कीजिए. ऑप्शंस Question number 3, dash consists of a set of tools for drawing, painting, selecting and modifying object in the workspace. ओके, तो ये तुम्हारे जो ऑप्शंस हैं, टूल, पैनल्स, स्टेज, टाइमलाइंस, क्या आएगा इसमें, क्या आंसर होगा, आंसर दीजिए। नेक्स्ट, डैश इज यूज टू ड्रॉ पॉलीगॉन एज वेल एज स्टार फिगर। आंसर्स इन योर स्क्रीन। नाउ नेक्स्ट, डैश कंसिस्ट ऑफ कंट्रोल for common functions and commands. Options: menu bar, timeline, stage. Now exercise to fill in the blanks. You can see. Okay, so first, dash is a rectangular workspace area where the content are placed or drawing and moving are created. तो क्या होगा इसका आंसर, stage. Second, menu bar consists of control for common function and commands. Next, timeline is a fixed window which remains on top of every object in the workspace. Next, frame control the period of the time of the movie. 5, ink bottle tool is used for changing the stroke color, width and style of lines of shape outlines. True, false. Read these lines carefully and give the answer in comment section. Okay class, तो ये आपका एक कंप्यूटर का रिवीजन सीरीज है, चैप्टर्स 8 to 10। तो गिव आंसर इमीडिएटली, ठीक है। सारी एक्सरसाइज आपके सामने है, रिवाइज कीजिए और आंसर दीजिए। ओके, टिल देन बाय।